The first time you start Libby, it will ask if you have a library card. Tap on Yes, and at the next prompt, select Search for a library. In the box, type a library name, city, or zip code. I'll use the zip code for media, but you can use your own. Tap on Delaware County Library System, and at the next prompt, select Sign in with my card. Enter your card number in this box, and then sign in. It will show you a virtual card. Click Next. If you read your ebooks on a Kindle, click Yes, I read with Kindle. Otherwise, click Skip. You now have access to all of the ebooks and audiobooks in the system. From here, you can browse for books or tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom left to search for a title. I'm going to search for a cookbook. Tap the filter icon to refine your search. For example, if you would only like to see audiobooks, tap Audiobooks and then Show Available Titles. You can check out up to 7 titles at one time. Ebooks work just like regular library books. If a book is checked out, you can put a hold on it and you'll get a notification when the book becomes available. When searching for books, you can click the little calendar icon to get an estimate of the wait time. When you find a book that you want to check out, you can tap on the book cover to see more information on it. From here, you can borrow the book if it's available, place a hold if it's currently checked out, or look for related titles. Once the book is checked out, it shows up on your shelf. You can select Kindle if you want to send this to your Kindle device, or just tap Libby and it will open in this app to read. Tap on the right side of the screen to page forward through the book. Exit the app when you're done reading. That's it. Enjoy your ebooks and audiobooks.